In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to do a whipped pass in EFC26. Here's how it works. First, you need to make sure your player actually has the whipped pass playstyle. For the best results, look for someone with whipped pass plus, like Saka from Arsenal. That upgraded version makes the pass faster and more accurate, which is ideal. Now when you are ready to perform the whipped pass, all you need to do is make a regular cross into the penalty area. You'll notice when the playstyle activates, there will be a small icon or highlight above your player's head. That's how you know the whipped pass has been triggered. Keep in mind, this move usually works only inside the penalty area. If you try to do it from outside, it won't trigger most of the time. So make sure you are in the range before crossing. You can use any type of cross, a low driven cross, a regular cross, or even a high cross, as long as it's directed into the box. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can perform a whipped pass in EFC26. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.